New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County, north central Monmouth County, Middlesex County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Brunswick, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Carteret, Middlesex, Boundbrook, Manville, Methuen, Millstone, Colonia, Brownville, North Brunswick Township, Kendall Park, and Society Hill. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 14. Garden State Parkway between mile markers 116 and 134. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.